Hello everyone, and welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'll show you how to add extra security to your Gate.io account by setting up Google Authenticator. Right now, we're on the Gate.io website. First, click on your profile in the top left corner. Then, select Profile and Settings. On this page, you'll see the Security section. Click on Security, and you'll find the Google Authenticator option, which is currently disabled. To enable it, click on the Google Authenticator option. Follow the instructions provided. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, click the plus button, and select Enter a setup key. Give it a name such as Gate.io and enter the provided key. Once added, the app will generate a new code every few seconds, which you can use for two-factor authentication. That's it, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.